Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am Mohammedadnant, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to show or hide a visual on a slicer selection. It's a real world case and solution in Power BI. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Let's get started. This is my Power BI file, and as you can see there is no value has been selected in the slicer pane, and I have displayed a message that please select a value. If I select any of the value here, say for example this one, then the message has been gone and I can see the table here. So this is the east region and how much quantity is there. If I select some other value, say for example center, there is no value available, but we can able to see the table as well. If I untick again, then it's displays the message and the table has been hidden here. So if I select another value here, I can see the table. If I remove again, I can see the message here. Now let's go into detail how I have achieved this. Actually the thing is we have kept two objects here. One is a card visual and another one is the table. And there is no workaround as of now in Power BI so that we can able to hide or show the visuals based on the slicer selection. We need to do some workarounds on that. First of all, we need to make a measure here. In the measure I have named as make transparent. If is filtered, the slicer selection has been filtered, then this is the transparent color background code, and if it is not filtered, then show me the background color as a white. And I'm applying this on the background of the card visual. This is a card object, card visual. So go to formatting option and enable this, turn on the background, and in the conditional formatting click the three dot icon, click on the conditional formatting, format by, instead of these three use the field value, and based on the field you can select the measure make transparent and then click OK. So it applies the value here, and you need to create one more measure because with blank card is not able to function in this way. So we need to create one more message and one more measure as well. In that measure you apply the same formula, that is if is filtered then show no message, and if it is not filtered please select a value. That's the message I am displaying here. And on the card visual I have drag and drop this message measure here. So once it is applied, so this measure has been activated, and the background, the calculation, the background measure is also been functioning. So it just does this value, and now nothing is selected, so background is white and message is please select a value. If I select any of the values here, its background becomes transparent and message also I have set to none. So no message has been displayed here and background also set to transparent here. And that's the reason we can able to see the table here, even though there is a card visual also available here. But if you drag and drop the card visuals here, we can able to see the table because the card visual background is transparent here. If you untick again here, if you look at this one, so we got a message that please select a value, whereas we can see only half of the table because I have drag and drop the card only to half of the table. As the background turns to white, we can't able to see the behind. And one more thing important, which is on the view tab, go to the selection pane. I have made a group of two of this one card and the table. So you need to keep the card on top of table. That's the main important thing as well. So if you put this card on top of the card visual, then the function what you have written is not going to work because the table is on the top. So it's not going to apply the transparent. It is going to apply transparent only on the card visual, transparent and white background. So that's the reason it's not going to work. But make sure you turn this to be go behind that. So card should be on the top and table should be below the card visual. And there are actually three cases out there, and three of them I have covered in this video itself. So if you look at this DAX measure again, I have used three options here. One, if it is filtered, if any of the value has been selected on the region name, that is on the slicer, then you can apply this function. That's what I have written here. If any filter has been applied on the region, this is a slicer, then display the table. Okay, so one row is there, so display a table. And if I select west here, there is no row count here, even though the table is displaying here. But If there is a scenario that if there is a row, then only you have to show the table. If not, to show only the message. If in that case, then you need to go to this one, like transparent, and you need to select this as well, like sorry, this one. Yeah, if is filtered, any of the value has been filtered on the slicer, as well as the count of row which is returning on the table is greater than 0, then only it has to show the table, or else it has to show the code visual itself. If you apply this logic here, then nothing is going to show, because on the message also we need to change the formula as well. So going on to measure, message measure, so I'm enabling this option as well. Click OK. Now you can see this message as the row count is 0, and please select a value. It is showing us. If I select again central, still it is 0, so it is showing the same one. If I select north here, it has a 2 row and it is showing the table. If I select east again, it has a 1 row, it is showing it here. If I select blank, then also it has 1 row and it is showing the table. So this is the second scenario. And the third one is, say for example like this, if the selected value is not equal to west, then show me it is transparent, or else show it white. If I select any of the values, say for example like south, it is showing because it is transparent, is not equal to west. If I select west now, then it saves me message the please select a value, and row count is also 0 here. So for example, if I change this value to the selected value is not equal to north, then show this transparent or else white. If I click OK, then this is going to, I mean, we need to change the message as well. Now if I select central here, it is going to show us the value. If I select north, then only it is going to show the message as please select a value, because that's the condition we have written here. If the selected value is not equal to north, then there is no message, and or else if it is equal to north, then it shows the please select a value. Like the same thing on the make transparent measure, if the selected value is not equal to north, then only it is going to be transparent. If it is equal to north, it will show as a white background, so it hides the table as well, even though the table has a value, but according to this condition the table has been hidden here. So I'm selecting the south here, it's showing the value. If I'm selecting the west, though it is 0 value, 0 row count, it is showing the table because of the condition what we have applied here. So this is how you can able to hide and show the visual based on the slicer selection. And in this demo we have covered 3 features as well, that is filtered, selected value, if the row count is greater than 0 as well. I hope you got a brief idea about how you can show or hide a visual on a slicer selection in Power BI. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.